Welcome to our new German grammar series. We will learn the grammar rules and structure step by step. Today's topic is Personal Pronomen or personal pronouns. Pronouns, as you all know, are the words that are used to replace or refer to a noun or a noun phrase in a sentence. Was sind die Personalpronomen? Or what are personal pronouns? These are pronouns that are used to refer to people or things, and they change depending on the case, nominative, accusative, dative or genitive, and gender, masculine, feminine and neutrum. Today we will learn personal pronomen in nominative case. First we will go through the singular form of pronouns. The first personal pronomen is ich. It means I. It is first person singular and is used when referring to oneself. For example, ich bin müde. I am tired. The second person singular pronomen is du. It means you. This is used when addressing a person informally. For example, du bist klug. You are clever. Next one is sie with a capital S. This is a second person singular form which means you. This is used to address a person formally. For example, Sie sind sehr nett. You are very kind. The third person singular form is er. It means he. It is used when referring to a male person. For example, er spielt Fußball. He plays football. Next one is sie with a small s. This is third person singular pronomen which means she. It is used when referring to a female. For example, sie ist schön. She is beautiful. S. It is a third person singular pronoun which means it. This is used when referring to an object or a thing. For example, es ist ein Stuhl. It is a chair. Now we learn the pronouns in plural form. The first person plural pronoun is wir. It means we in English. It is used when referring to a group of people that includes oneself. For example, wir sind Freunde. We are friends. The second person plural form is ihr. It means you all. It is used when addressing a group of people informally. For example, was macht ihr da? What are you all doing? The third person plural pronoun is sie with a small s. It means they. It is used when referring to a group of people. For example, sie gehen ins Kino. They are going to the movies. Now let's understand the usage with the help of a verb trinken, which means to drink. But before learning the usage, we would first need to conjugate the verb basis the pronouns. So the conjugated form of trinken is ich trinke, du trinkst, sie es trinkt, wir trinken, ihr trinkt, sie trinken. Let's see some easy examples. Die Frau trinkt Kaffee. Here, Frau is a noun which means lady in a singular form. Die is an article used for the feminine gender. You will be learning the articles in my upcoming videos. So if we have to use the pronoun in place of die Frau, we will use sie, which means she. The conjugated form of the verb trinken for sie is trinkt. Hence, the sentence will now be sie trinkt Kaffee. Das Kind trinkt Milch. Here, Kind means a child, which is a noun in singular form, and das is a neuter gender. The pronoun to be used in place of das Kind is es. The conjugated form of the verb trinken for es is trinkt. Therefore, the sentence would be es trinkt Milch. Der Mann trinkt Wasser. Here, man means man, which is a noun in singular form, and there is a masculine article. The pronoun to be used in place of der Mann will be The conjugated form of the verb trinken for is trinkt. Hence, the sentence will be trinkt Wasser. Die Leute trinken Bier. Here, Leute means people, which is a plural form. Die here is an article for plural form. And the pronoun for plural form is sie, which means they. Hence, the sentence will now be Sie trinken Bier. I hope you have understood the basic concept of personal pronomen well. We will now do a small Übung or exercise to practice what we have learned today. Here are 4 questions for which you need to fill in the correct pronomen. Pause the video and answer them on your own. Please mention your answers in the comment section. I will check your answers and give you a score out of 4. Also, please let me know if you need more practice questions on this topic. I would be happy to provide them to you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such informative content. I will see you in the next class. Cheers!